Hi there, this is a Rossmax X5 blood pressure monitor. I will open the box and show you how to use the Rossmax blood pressure monitor. The Rossmax X5 BP monitor is enclosed in a carry pouch. Here are battery cells for this monitor, an inflation cuff, and a guide booklet. First, we will install battery cells properly. After installing batteries, the device will start, and we will set the date and time of the monitor. First, set the year, month, and date. By pressing that M, you can increase and decrease the values, and you can confirm by pressing the power button. If you don't want to do it manually, I'll show you how to use a smartphone app to do it for you. The monitor will be set automatically if you connect with a smartphone app. Download the Rossmax Health Manager on your smartphone and follow the instruction given by the app. Switch on the BP monitor and keep pressing the M until the Bluetooth sign appears on the screen. Follow the app's instructions, and your smartphone will be connected to this BP monitor through Bluetooth. After that, your Rossmax X5 blood pressure monitor will be set automatically. Connect that tube with BP monitor and you are all set to take the blood pressure measurement. Place the inflation cuff around your left arm and make sure it's 2 centimeters above your elbow. The 2 should be in the center of your arm, which runs to your hand. When taking a blood pressure reading, make sure the cuff is positioned parallel to your heart and keep 2-finger distance between the cuff and the arm. The Rossmax X5 can save blood pressure readings for 2 users. Before taking BP measurement, choose user 1 or 2. This monitor also measures the guest's blood pressure, but the readings are not stored in the monitor. The blood pressure measurement will begin after you select the user and press the power button, and you will get BP readings in systolic, diastolic, and heart rate.